Hey everyone, I'm Gabby and welcome back to the Lee Myles Auto Care and Transmissions channel. It's that time of year again here in Berks County, PA. Beautiful blooms are on the way, but so are those classic April showers. And while we love seeing everything turn green, those downpours can bring some seriously tricky driving conditions. Here at Lee Myles Auto Care and Transmissions with all of our Berks County locations, we see firsthand how quickly a sunny drive can turn into a nerve-wracking experience. And one of the biggest dangers when the roads get slick? Hydroplaning. So what exactly is hydroplaning? Imagine your bicycle tires trying to grip a slick, wet tile floor. If you pedal too fast and there's too much water, the tires can't maintain contact with the tile. Instead, they briefly float on the water film, causing you to lose steering and braking control. That's hydroplaning, your tires losing grip on a wet surface due to excess water. Now, why is hydroplaning such a concern here in Berks County? Well, our spring weather can be super unpredictable. One minute it's sunny, the next we're in a heavy downpour. Combine that with roads that might have some wear and tear or not the best drainage. And you've got the perfect storm, literally, for hydroplaning. So let's get down to it. What can you do to avoid this slippery situation? Slow down. Reduce your speed when it's wet. The faster you're going, the less time your tires have to channel that water away. Maintain proper tire pressure. Think of it this way. Properly inflated tires have a better chance of cutting through the water. Underinflated tires, not so much. Check your tire pressure regularly, especially before a predicted rainstorm. Check your tire tread. Worn tires are a major hydroplaning hazard. You need enough tread to grip the road. Take a look at your tires. If they look smooth, it's time for new ones. You can also use a tread depth gauge, or try the good old penny test. Stick a penny upside down into one of the grooves. If you can see all of the Lincoln's head, your tires are getting too low. Avoid puddles and standing water. If you can safely steer around those big puddles, do it. You never know how deep they are. Drive smoothly. This isn't the time for sudden moves. Avoid quick acceleration, hard braking, or sharp turns. Okay, so what happens if, despite your best efforts, you find yourself hydroplaning? Don't panic. We know easier said than done, but staying calm is the first and most important step. Don't slam on your brakes. This is a natural reaction, but it can actually make things worse and cause your car to skid. Ease off the gas. Gently take your foot off the accelerator. This will help your car slow down naturally. Steer gently. If your car starts to slide, gently steer in the direction you want to go. Avoid any sharp, jerky movements of the steering wheel. Wait for traction. As your car slows down, your tires will eventually regain contact with the road. Be ready to gently steer back onto your intended path. We know the roads here in Pennsylvania, and we know how quickly things can change. Don't take any chances with your safety. If you have any concerns about your vehicle's readiness for wet weather, come on down and see us at our Reading, Birdsboro, Sinking Spring, or Wyomissing locations. Stay safe out there, everyone, and we'll see you in the next video.